Pairing your Rogers Xfinity remote allows you to control your TV's power, volume, and input. There are two primary methods, automatic and manual. Automatic pairing is the simplest method for modern smart TVs. Turn on your TV and Rogers Ignite box. Press the Setup button on your remote and select Auto. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the remote to automatically scan for and pair with your TV. Rogers 2025 Q3 update improved pairing stability by 40%, making this a reliable option for most users. If automatic pairing fails, use manual pairing. First, find the 5-digit code for your TV brand on the Rogers website or app. Examples include Sony 0056, LG 11447. Turn on your TV and Ignite box. Press the Setup button, then enter the code. Test the remote's functionality. If it doesn't work, try another code for your TV brand. Reset the remote by holding the Setup and Xfinity buttons for 3 seconds if needed. Rogers Xfinity remotes support voice control pairing through Alexa. Press the microphone button on the remote and say "Set up my remote" or "Pair TV." Follow the voice prompts to complete setup. This method requires an active Ignite account and is preferred by 70% of new users. For troubleshooting, ensure no interference from other IR devices. For LG TVs, disable SimpLink in TV settings. Use the Ignite app's AI-assisted diagnostics. Reset the remote by holding Setup and Xfinity buttons for 3 seconds. Contact support if needed. Pairing success rate is 95%.